Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide reposts on TikTok. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the TikTok app, okay? And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my profile at the below right corner, and you're going to see right here the repost kind of an icon publicly. So everyone actually who follows me, doesn't follow me, can see that I have a repost on my page or on my profile, and they can see what I reposted on my TikTok account. Now what I'm gonna do, if I want to prevent all people from seeing it, I'm gonna click the three bars at the top right corner, click on the last option, settings and privacy, go ahead to the account section, the second option, privacy. Okay, and you're gonna see private account. Make your account private so not all people can see your repost, right? And actually, in order for people to see your repost, they will have to take your approval first so they can see your repost and see your whole account. So basically that will minimize the amount of money, the amount of people, who can have access to your account without your approval, or with your approval if you allowed them. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.